Hello everyone, I'm back with an unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Pro. This is the 11th edition. It is the Snapdragon X Elite chip, 1 terabyte SSD drive, 16 gigabytes of RAM. Now, and it comes with a keyboard, slim pen, the keyboard and the slim pen along with the device. Now, this actually came out in 2024, so it's about a year and a half old. It was in June 2024. It is the OLED screen. You can pick this up on Costco's website for $9.99. So it's $600 off, and it is a 2-week sale. Now, interestingly, I picked it up just to kind of check it out and see if it was able to do all of the things that I would need it to do for work and run the programs I need to run. So I'm curious about that. I have had Surface Pros in the past. I've rather liked them quite a bit, but the battery life was always an issue. So, that's kind of what the main concern was for me. But apparently, the Elite chip, Snapdragon chip, runs better. So we'll see how that works out. This is a Costco version. I'm going to give you the complete unboxing experience. You can actually pick up this same device only, not with no bundle at all, at Best Buy. Their President's Day sale was actually $250 more. So this comes with the entire bundle. This is for the exact same configuration as well. So let's check it out. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. And again, this is the complete unboxing experience. This is what you would get from Costco if you were to order it from Costco itself. So I don't have an unboxing knife. I need to maybe get one a la Flossie Carter, but we'll go ahead and use the scissors here just to kind of break the seal and check it out. I've always been I really enjoyed the note-taking experience on the Surface Pro devices. So that's one of the reasons I was drawn to this. And again, just to kind of to see what Microsoft is up to. It's been a while. So you'll get the packaging. The first thing you'll see is the keyboard. Now, I don't think this is the fancy flex or rigid keyboard, but it is the keyboard with a slim pen. So that alone is going to cost, I've seen it around 180 or so, and we'll see how how much those cost. Like, you can kind of check them out yourself and see what they go for. But that's the actual keyboard. And again, it comes with a pen. So we'll go ahead and open that up. It's Alcantara, however you would say that. And let's check it out. So the keyboard is the first thing we see. It's black. Now, you're not going to get any color combos for Costco. It's going to be straight black. They do the business stuff, so it's going to be the business edition, if you will. So yeah, this is your basic keyboard. And again, you get the pen here attached, and there you go. Yeah, I've seen these, again, kind of without the pen. I've seen them pretty cheap. With the pen, I've seen them at Best Buy open box without the pen for as low as $60, $70. But with the pen, generally speaking, you've got to pay at least $150 or so. So this is the Costco bundle. So this is how you would open it up. And you'll have the device here. And it looks like you will see is there anything on the side pockets here? Nothing here. And nothing here. So this is just the packaging. So we'll go ahead and get rid of this box, get it out of our way, and we'll go ahead and open up the device itself. So this is the Surface Pro. Again, it's the OLED screen. Comes in a nice black box here. And yeah, we'll check it out. Let's see here. We're gonna open it up this way. So again, this is the 11th edition, 1 terabyte, 16 gigabytes of RAM, the Elite edition there. And there we go. So let's see where we can, here we go. You have it right here. And it's a very nice box, very nice packaging. And again, you're gonna get it in black. So it's not like Best Buy where you can go pick your color. Costco will just give it to you straight black or silver, depending on what their configuration is and what they're selling. So there's the device itself. Here's, you'll see this cable here, charging cable. And I don't think there's anything in here but packaging. Yeah, this is, we'll go ahead and take that out. So you get the cable, the charger there, and the cable that connects to the charger, so you can plug it in. And the rest of it is just packaging, I'm sure, but we'll go ahead and, yeah, I don't want to, there's nothing in there. It's just packaging. This is a really nice box though, nicer than the other Surface Pro boxes I've seen. Maybe because of the Elite Dragon chip. What's in here? Some paperwork, Microsoft paperwork. Kind of lets you know what the deal is, etc., etc. Yeah, that's it. Just some paperwork there. I am disappointed that Microsoft closed their stores. The customer service has been lacking since they've done that, I've noticed. Let's see if it powers on. I don't know how long this has been sitting, so let's check to see if it powers on. And again, you get it all in black. Here's the very nice color. It's a very deep black, if you will. Let's see. Not sure if it's going to power on, but we can maybe try to plug it in if it doesn't. Take off the sticker here, and yep, there's the screen. I would like to see that OLED screen. Oh, it's powering up, so we do got a little juice here. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and get the plug going just so we can use the plug if we can, if we need to, in case it doesn't have much power. Again, I don't know. This is a 1.5 year old device. They still sell them though. The 12s are smaller, so I think the 13-inch screen versus the 12-inch screen is perhaps something that's still in demand if you're a Surface Pro person. Especially if you do a lot of note taking, you might want to have that extra space there to work on, to work your notes or whatever. All right, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in just in case we need it. Everything is black, so the pen is black, the keyboard is black, the charger is black. It has the Surface Connect thingy here. I guess it's equivalent to MagSafe. It is pretty good. I think MagSafe's a little bit better, but it does the job. So let's go ahead and plug this in real quick. And that's still booting up, so it might take a while. Okay, there we go. There's the Windows logo, and yeah. So the screen is very nice. It's definitely much nicer than I recall in terms of like the Surface Pro screens. The last one I had was a Surface Pro 8 with internet, with 5G or 4G, I think it was. So we'll go ahead and put that in there. There's the charger. So it's kind of in an interesting spot. A little high there, I think. I kind of prefer either maybe a little bit towards the bottom, but there's that. Let's get the keyboard on there. We'll go ahead and see if we can attach that really quickly. Give me 1 second here as I wrangle through all the offerings here. And again, so this is what you would get from the Costco bundle. Right now, on sale for the next couple of weeks, it'll be $999. Perhaps the 13, well, I don't know if the 13 would necessarily be coming out soon, but maybe they're just kind of finally getting rid of the 11s. And there we go. So there's the keyboard. Obviously the keyboard, you can, put it in different configurations. You can lay it flat if you prefer that, or if you want to kind of prop it up a little bit, you can also do that. I do notice that this cable is kind of awkwardly positioned, so that's interesting. But there we go. So we can kind of lay it this way as well. And there's that. Okay, yeah, I'm not a big fan of the position of the Surface charger here. It's a very awkward position. So yeah, so that's pretty much that. Again, I will go ahead and really can't skip that too much, but just to kind of give you an idea, this is what it looks like. It's an interesting configuration here. It does kind of sit a little awkwardly. I don't know if maybe I didn't put it on correctly. It's not quite flush, but let me go ahead and see if I can fix it behind the scenes here. Yeah, it's in, oh, okay. I think I don't have the pen in properly. That's why. So we'll go ahead and do that. That's a little better. Yeah, I think I had the pen a little bit. I didn't put the pen in the proper spot. So yeah, it has a nice Alcantara feel. Again, it's really light. So if you compare it to like MacBook Air, this is altogether around 2 pounds. apparently. So that's going to give you, if you want lightness and portability, I think that's the way to do it. Yeah, it's interesting that it's, not sure if I'm a big fan of the way it's connecting here. Maybe I'm not doing it properly, but I don't recall it being this uneven. Okay, there we go. Maybe I got it better that time. Yeah, it seems a little big for the device itself, but now it's a little more flush. But yeah, if you want something portable, again, this is a really nice black color here. Ultra portable, and yeah, we'll put it through its paces, see what kind of, if there's any issues with programs. I know for some people it runs on some stuff runs on emulators, some stuff it's just the software itself. So, it just runs fine with most of Microsoft software. Apparently, DaVinci Resolve runs well on this, but this is not going to be like a heavy-duty machine that is going to be something you can, video edit on as much, although I'm sure you can do a little bit of it. This is going to be more for productivity and Office Suite type stuff. But yeah, so there it is, the Microsoft Surface Pro 11, 13-inch OLED screen, 1 terabyte, and the 16 gigabytes of RAM. Costco special, $9.99. Let's put it through its paces, and we'll try it out in another video. Hope you're well. Hope your family's well. Take care of yourself. Bye.